we'll wait 2 or 3 more minutes for the parents to show up right at 10 or 10:30. As is often the case.
Yes, guys. Like what?
Because when someone talks on one, and everybody doesn't walk to the meeting. They're all in the same agreement. Wrong room.
Yeah, wrong room.
Yeah, here for the pre-K celebration.
Yeah, thank you.
Lots of things going on at one time.
So if anybody else is here for Ms. Ward's pre-K celebration, you're in the wrong place. Okay, good.
Bless you, sir.
No? You got like.
I feel that. Israel too?
Soccer player.
There's kids outside.
They're gone, they're going around.
Saw some parents walking out, 30 seconds before we're getting started.
Probably something locked up. Gotta get in there and run around. Better make it quick, second base, we're gonna call. Gotta go, you got it.
So we want to welcome everybody here today. This is, for your information, being live streamed. So if you have family and friends, we're going to upload it later to the website. So if you have family and friends wherever in the world that they'd like to see, and you'd like to invite them to see your child get their award, you're welcome to have them go to our Stanford website, and then click on the links, and they can actually see it, and it'll be up there probably forever.
As we want it to be.
So we do that on purpose because I know there's sometimes we have grandmas and grandpas and aunts and uncles in Mexico or California or Ecuador or wherever that would like to see our children get their awards. So we've started this new technology, and we love inviting everybody that wants to see it to kind of join us and celebrate with us with our students. Today we are, notice we don't have risers today. We're getting a new set of risers, so we had to send the old ones away. So as we call them, I'm going to call a little different order today. Usually I call the little ones first and work our way up. I think we start with like second grade and work our way down so we can get the taller kids in the back because we're starting to line them up. So we're going to start today with our second graders. And Miss Emily Aguilar is first. Congratulations for being most responsible in 104. And Mr. Dixon can help us line. Mateo Lopez. Mateo's a person who thinks ahead, uses self-control, and accepts responsibility for his choices. Congratulations, Mateo. We have Steve Hernandez. Steve has improved his study habits and takes responsibility for his learning. Way to go, Steve. Selena Pinal. Selena makes great effort to have her work done completely and neatly. She is a class leader. Israel Ruiz. Israel's speech has improved this year because of his efforts and help from his running. Congratulations, Israel. Sophia Ramirez. Whether it be homework, helping a peer, or completing a task, Sophia can always be counted on. Congratulations. Diego Alonso Salazar. Diego puts out his best effort in everything he does and has had great success. Congratulations, Diego. That's a third grader. He's got good stuff. Here we go, first grade, found them, yay. Junior Cruz. Junior now recognizes numbers to 20, can count, add, and subtract within 20 and manipulatives. Great job, Junior. Jayla Aya, is that how we say your last name? Jayla goes above and beyond when it comes to being responsible. She creates her own learning materials. Way to go, Jayla. Cassandra Duarte. Cassandra always keeps track of her supplies and her schoolwork. She can always be counted on. Great work, Cassandra. Abby Nance. Abigail has been working very hard and has improved in reading and writing. Keep up the great work. Guillermo Guerrero. Guillermo has made positive changes in his behavior patterns and with that has improved in academics. Nice job, Guillermo. Adrian Espinosa. Adrian is always ready to help his classmates. He never needs to be reminded to complete his work and class duties. Nice job, Adrian. Jacob Villalobos. Jacob has improved in reading and writing at a great rate. He's always eager to learn and do more. Congratulations, Jacob. Fiona Morris. Fiona always has a positive attitude and gets to work right away. She works hard and asks for help every time she needs it. Congratulations, Fiona. Maximus Cortez Ramirez. Maximus has shown an amazing improvement in his writing and behavior. He strives to write clearly and do his best. Congratulations, Maximus. Alina Gonzalez. Alina demonstrates responsibility by having her work completed on time and being a leader in her group. Congratulations. And now moving on to kindergarten. Julian Rivera. Julian knows all letter names and sounds. Great work, Julian. I expect you to be reading in January. Elena Dominguez. Elena always listens and follows directions. She works hard and finishes all of her work on time. Nice job, Elena. Genesis Martinez. Genesis has worked hard at taking responsibility for her actions. She wants to be successful with her learning. Congratulations, Genesis. Andy Archila Orantes. Andy is a hard worker who always tries his best, and it shows. He has come a long way. Congratulations. Hollywood Smith. Hollywood is always helping others out, making sure they have what they need. She is a great example. Nice job, Hollywood. Nayeli Rosas. Nayeli is very responsible student. She completes work on time and is a good friend and a classroom helper. Nice job, Nayeli. And last but not least, Abby Fulgencio. Abby's improved a lot since she's in the series. She knows almost all of her letter sounds and names. Congratulations, Abby. Nice job. Okay, so we're going to get them organized, so hopefully y'all get a good picture and see your child's face. If not, we will have time afterwards, so you can pull your child inside and get some good pictures also. Everybody looks forward. Parents, if you want to come closer, you're welcome to come closer and get close up to your babies. We love showing them off. We got a whole group right there. Okay, Fiona, come here. You're stuck in the back, come back there a little bit. See everybody's face. We got one young lady in the back there.
Okay, try to look up here in my iPad for a split second. 3, 2, 1.
You guys are famous. It's like paparazzi. And when you go home today, you get to see yourself on the computer. You can go online and go, whoa, there I am. Yeah. It's cool, huh? No more pictures. Wonderful. Let's have another round of applause for kinder first and second. And now we're going to move on to our 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. And we're going to start off once again with our 5th graders, our bigger kids. We'll get them in the back. First one is, I don't know if you go by George or Jorge, so sorry. George or Jorge Garcia Gonzalez. George has improved greatly over the past couple of months to do his best and take more readings than go home. Congratulations. Delilah Leggett. Delilah handles the responsibility well and timely manner. She works hard to ensure the work is finished. Congratulations, Delilah. Kaylee Graves. Kaylee has worked very hard to bring up her reading level and is working to get her 500 AL points this year. Congratulations, Kaylee. Linda Esparza. Linda always brings in her homework and reading well. Linda is a great student with special qualities. Nice job, Linda. Lucy Padre. Lucy always completes assignments on time, never misplaces her work, and takes responsibility for herself. Congratulations, Lucy. Edgar Castaneda. Edgar's doing a fantastic job in 5th grade. On the recent reading assessment, Edgar improved greatly. Awesome job, Edgar. Stephen Doris. Stephen is very responsible young man, has always been with us since kindergarten. Today, however, is the last day here. We will miss him. You didn't tell me that. Get out of here. Look, have mom come visit with me. I'll send a different kid. We don't like to use the good kids. Let me see the naughty one with you. Jomeni Blanquette. Joey does an excellent job keeping track of his own education and assignments. He is dedicated and admired. We'll keep it for him. Put the clap for him anyway. Congratulations to him. Juan Obeso Espinosa. Juan has improved his level by 2 grade levels. Keep up the good work, Juan. Nice job. Donna Valilla. Donna is responsible and excellent student. She comes to school ready to learn and works hard every day. Alexander Adame Beltran. Alex has worked very hard and has improved by leaps and bounds with his English. He is eager to learn. Nice job. Juan Morales. Congratulations, Juan, for being a class representative and for most responsible. Jimena Quinones. Jimena demonstrates responsibility throughout the entire school. She works hard and never complains. Congratulations, Jimena. Giovanni Martinez Mata. Giovanni comes to school ready to learn. He also helps his classmates with English. Good work. And Charlie Arturo Ramirez. Charlie's very competent in every subject, especially in language. Good work, Charlie. And we will organize these young ladies and gentlemen so you can see their smiling faces. And moms and dads, if you'd like to come closer. Let me have kinders for a second. You guys can scoot down a little bit so the moms and dads up here for their pictures. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Wonderful, wonderful, great, great. Awesome. Perfect. Okay, that's good. Can we see everybody's faces? Somebody's hiding right back there. There you go. Sit up on the seat. Okay, perfect. Everybody smile. I can go back there and talk to you if you like. So remember, boys and girls, today you can go home. I'll have it uploaded today. You can go home and you can Google Stanford Elementary School, Las Vegas, and it'll say website. Click on Stanford and say click on the website. You click on the website and it goes right to our website, and then you can find yourself in there under the videos section. So you will be able to find yourself and see yourself here on video and see yourself get your award, and then you can send that link out to all your aunts and uncles and grandmas and grandfathers and everything else. So, boys and girls, thank you very much. One more round of applause for 34%. Oh, wait. I get to talk a minute first. I like to talk, especially the microphone. I was born to do this. So once again, parents, thank you so much for your support. I hope we like the new format of getting everybody here and not having to come back 2 or 3 times for different family members, and having it online so you can now share it with family and friends and go back and look at it again yourselves. And some of you might actually be on camera because it's a pretty wide span. So if you want to see yourself taking pictures of your kids, you'll be on there too. So boys and girls, before we go, I think we do this almost every time, but we still need to thank our moms and dads. So turn around and give mom and dad a round of applause for being here supporting you. Thank you, moms and dads. Without your support, we would not be able to do the job that we can do. So thank you so much for coming and supporting. When you get back to class, boys and girls, make sure you thank your teacher, because without your teacher, you wouldn't be here either. So make sure you thank your teacher when you get back to your class. And I want you all to have a safe Thanksgiving holiday. I know that it's Friday right before Thanksgiving. I know we're excited to go. We still have some work to do today. But please have a safe holiday. We want to see you all back after the holiday, except for one that's moving. So, thank you. If you'd like to take pictures with your children, you're welcome to come up, grab them separately, take a little picture. Boys and girls, when you're done taking pictures, you can just head on back to class. We are going to be having a fire drill sometime today, so be ready for that. I'm not telling you when, though. I haven't told your teachers either.
During recess.
Yeah.